Hello, this is a little video which will teach you how to reach the classroom for the Master in Entrepreneurship and Innovation and how to set up your computer on the classroom devices. Okay, we start from the garage because I imagine some of you are arriving here by car, and then instead I start from the entrance. Questo invece è il parcheggio al primo piano, questa è la porta d'ingresso. Ok, si va, conviene andare dritti di qua, dritti per questo lungo corridoio. A questo punto si è sotto all'entrata principale e si può o salire le scale per andare all'information desk qui, oppure uscire direttamente da lì, da qui, per uscire all'aperto. Ecco, per quelle scale lì si va all'information desk e per queste si esce all'aperto. Ok, we are in front of the entrance. You have to enter. Information desk is on your left, but you turn here, you take this little door, first one, then this one, second one. You are in this big hall. Pay attention to the amount of doors. Door number 3. Go on. You will learn later on how to take a shortcut, but this is the most straightforward way. Door number 4. Door number 5. Go right. Take the stairs. Door number 6. Go right. Take the stairs. Turn left. You're at the first floor now. Door number 7. Door number 8. Finally, we are done. This is the main corridor. You walk up to the end of it. Okay, we are almost there, and this is seminar room number 5. Okay, this is the equipment. Okay, so first of all you have to check that all the plugs are plugged in. This one. Okay, it happens sometimes that somebody disconnects the cables, so cables must be properly connected. Okay, also from here. Okay, so this one must be switched on. Okay, and it's the projector. Okay, this one instead is the device which has inside a microphone, which is this one. Okay, and a speaker, which is this one. Okay. You have two cables, an HDMI cable for the audio out and the video, which you must connect to your computer. If you have a Mac, it could be that you don't have an HDMI port, so you need an adapter like this one. This is a USB port, also here, if you have a traditional USB, let's say, not a USB-C. So if you have a Mac, again, you probably need an adapter. This one will carry the microphone, so the connection to this microphone. Okay, now, as you can see, the video is a little screwed, so you need to adjust this one, so literally move the equipment until the video is perfectly rectangular. Okay, very well. Okay, in case you don't see the video coming from your computer, you can press select source here, and you will try to select the source. HDMI 2 should be the right one for you. Okay, now how can I go out? Ask. Okay, so here the only thing you should touch usually is select source, but most of the times it's not necessary. So let's go here. Okay, you join the meeting. Okay. No, I don't want to invite anybody right now. Okay, then you go here to the three dots, device settings. Let's see your device, audio device. Okay, you have internal mic and speakers, which are the speakers of your computer, and then Creston Mercury. Creston Mercury is this speaker here. This is the choice you should do. In this way, people who talk at home will be heard to the speaker, which is much better than yours. Okay, so Creston Mercury, speaker, Creston Mercury, microphone, Creston Mercury, and not your own microphone. Well, your own microphone could be fine also, but Creston Mercury is this one, which you can take on your hand and move it, for example, on the first desk, so in case you walk around or in case students talk. It's very important that this light here be green, because if you touch it, it becomes red, and this microphone is deactivated. You can deactivate the microphone also pressing here. Let's see. No, you cannot. Okay, very well. Okay, so you can deactivate it only pressing here. Then, concerning the camera, you have two options. If you are sitting and talking, it's good that you use the camera of your own computer, as I'm doing now. If you instead want to write on the blackboard, or want to make people at home interact with the class, you have to switch camera and choose Hardly Go, which is this little camera here. Okay. Unfortunately, the cable is short and there is no tripod, but we can. Let's see. Yes. Okay, we can let the camera run in wild. Here you have. Okay, a good choice is to use some cardboard over there to put the camera on and to let the camera look at the classroom. As you can see now, the camera is looking at the classroom. Or you can put the camera on a cardboard, make it look at the blackboard, and perhaps turn the blackboard a little bit. Or put the camera here, if you are able, on the and make it look at the blackboard. Okay, in case you write at the blackboard. Okay, there is nothing else you have to do. Remember just that this camera, if you choose this camera, you cannot just leave it around like this, because it will point at something nonsense, as you can see now. Okay, let's go here to see some settings. Here the settings are pretty self-explanatory. It is to disable the microphone, the volume of the speaker. Let's see what's this. Okay, most of the time you use HDMI. Only if you are a Mac expert you can use AirMedia. I never use it. Okay, this is just okay. Now make a call, not at all. Okay, this is all the things that you should know about the devices here. Okay, so HDMI cable, this carries the video of the camera, okay, and your video to be displayed there. And this one, which carries the audio of the microphone. And this carries also the audio output. So connect both. If you don't have a USB, you can disconnect the microphone, because of my Mac suddenly, well, the Mac. You can disconnect the microphone because the microphone that you have inside your computer is good. Okay? It's not a good idea to disconnect this one instead.